Hi, this is John from DEI Power Sports. Today we're going to talk about our heat shield liner kits for motorcycles. We had customers come to us looking for a solution to the heat coming off their exhaust systems, and these riders made it clear they did not want to change the looks of their motorcycle. So DEI developed a great solution to drastically cut down on the heat coming off the heat shields with a completely hidden system. Heat from the exhaust can become uncomfortable, especially in slow traffic or when you've made performance upgrades to your motorcycle. DEI's heat shield liner kit insulates the outer heat shield without disturbing the looks of the bike. The kits are precision cut to fit in between the exhaust pipe and the heat shield, blocking heat transfer and lowering temperatures up to 60%. This graphic shows the dramatic heat reduction after the DEI heat shield liners have been installed. The heat shield liners are dual layer, constructed of a reflective aluminum layer and a layer of our proprietary Dura 2000 insulating material. These kits are easy to install with no permanent modification needed. Tabs simply fold over to secure the two materials together, and then they're pressed into the heat shields. By using this tab system, the kits require no adhesive to keep the materials together and eliminate smoking or odor from any of the materials. Each kit is complete with pieces for all of the heat shields on your motorcycle. Kits are available for Harley, Indian, and Triumph models, including stock and aftermarket exhaust systems. In addition, 2 different universal cut-to-fit kits are available as well. We are constantly adding new applications, so check our website for the latest updates. Kits are available at your favorite motorcycle shop or at our website, deipowersports.com.